Hi all. So today we're going to download and install Unity to continue our project. So for that, we'll go to, if you Google download Unity, you'll go to unity3d.com or just go to that web link. Choose your Unity plus download, and that will take you to plans and pricing. And from that onwards, you are going to choose the individual version and sign up for your student version. You use your student account, either your uq.net account or your student number email. So that will allow you to get, mainly what's more interesting about it is the unlimited access to the learning plan. So you'll get a lot of support out of that feature. So you go and sign up, you put in your account, and it will ask you to get access. And this is basically authorize, apply for the student one in order to get access to that. In any case, in either student account or individual account, you'll go into this creating with Unity. You can either go, if you're already not the first time returning users, and if you are the first time users, you start here. So once you click there, you'll agree with the terms and conditions, and you start downloading Unity GitHub setup. So that's the entrance point for Unity itself. So it's just a way of an entrance registration area in order to download your software, basically. So once you have that, once you have downloaded the Unity Hub, once you open it, basically this will pop up with no installs, basically totally empty. In order to start an install of Unity itself, so the software now, you click Add, and then you select the latest version, official version of Unity. So the latest releases and latest pre-releases, the beta and alpha versions have a lot of bugs. So definitely recommend, in our case, to use the Unity, the latest official release. Press Next. And here you choose what modules you want to build. So basically what you want to create for. So do you want to use apps? Do you want to use applications that are going to be displayed in phones or mobile devices or in computers or TVs or the web? So in our case, basically you can tick on everything. So there's no harm done. It will just take a little bit more space in your hard drive, a little bit longer to download. But in our case, Windows and Mac is critical, and that's what I would recommend for now. And again, the documentation, and if you want other additional languages, you can also download for that. So you press Done, and it will start downloading that process. So actually, since we already have, you can see the download will start here. I'm going to cancel, since we already have one. In this case, for example, if you have, in this case, you see the only support that I have is Windows. If you, I didn't put Windows and I didn't put Mac and I need to put Mac, you can go on Add Modules and download a few more again, and it will actually tick in. You can tick the Mac build support and click Done, and it will start downloading. So it will update that version of Unity. After the download is completed, you can go to Projects, and also it's empty. And in this case, we'll start creating a new project on the next part.